Make my most favorite, easy dinner with me. Make brown rice and quinoa. Cut up veggies. I used onion, peppers, zucchini, and sweet potato. You can replace sweet potato with chicken. Toss with olive oil and desired seasonings. I use garlic, paprika, salt, pepper, and garlic salt. Bake the veggies at 425 degrees for 20 minutes. Boil sweet potatoes until fork tender. Then season with same seasonings and add onto baking sheet for remaining time. Assemble your bowls. I add avocado and cilantro dressing on top. So good!